Hello everyone, in this tutorial we will see how can we install WooCommerce plugin and configure that plugin in WordPress. Okay, it's so simple, so easy. So let's get started. First of all, we have to go to the plugins area and add new, search for WooCommerce. You can see it's by automatic, more than 5+ million active installation. Click install now. It will take little bit of time, just wait. On this server it takes much smaller time or shorter time. As I am in my local WordPress installation, it's taking a little bit more time. By the time of installing, we can see the details of the WooCommerce plugin. Its average rating is more than 4.5. It's now acquired by Automatic, the mother company of WordPress. It requires WordPress version 5.7 or higher as of today. It's compatible up to 5.9.2. It's required PHP version 7.0. Okay, we can see that the plugin is already installed. Let's activate it. Sorry for the waiting. It's installed. Now we can see it directly take us to the setup page, the configuration pages to WooCommerce. You can skip all this too for now, but I will see how can we configure the thing. You have to put your address here. Let's say our address is ABC Street. Copy. Our country, I am from Bangladesh. Search for Dhaka. City is already Dhaka. Postcode, just skip that one. Okay, continue. No thanks. Now, in which industry does the store operate? Choose your preferred category. I am choosing here electronics and computers. And yes, I will sell physical products. How many products? Let's say 11 to 100. And currently selling elsewhere? No. That's it. Continue. Not needed, not necessary as of now. Continue. Now you can choose a default theme, or you can choose I'm continuing with my default theme. There's so much options there. That's it. I have done my configuration of WooCommerce. So we'll see the next other things, all other things in next any tutorial. Let's visit the store. You can see this is our shop page, and all the other pages, cart page, checkout page, my account page, shop page added here. Okay, it's so simple. In next video I will check your details of the WooCommerce configuration and customization. That's all for today. Thank you.